yourself a Mickey little Christmas now. Hey everyone, it's Lise and welcome back to my channel. Be sure before we get started to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss another video. So I've been away for a little while. It's been a couple months. Just a quick recap of what's gone on. Back in September, the very beginning of September, I had woken up and I was really exhausted, and just like lifting my arms made me extremely tired. And the last few months, I've been dealing with this extreme exhaustion and dizziness, and we thought maybe it was COVID. I even got an antibody test to see if I had COVID at some time, and I hadn't. But the last several months since then, I've gone to about, I think I'm on doctor number 8 now. And we've done all these tests and everything. And finally, we discovered that I'm dealing with anemia. So I just have to get a little bit of a procedure done, hopefully in the next couple weeks. But today I'm feeling really good. So I'm really hoping to be coming out of the worst of it. But in the middle of that, my significant other, Christian, ended up getting COVID, and he's better now. He's recovered and he's back to work. And I ended up not even getting it. We were super careful. We were wearing masks around the house, and I ended up moving to the back room and kind of living on the other side of the house, and we were trying to sanitize everything as much as we could. So that seemed to have worked, and we're really grateful for that, especially since I've been dealing with other health issues unrelated to COVID that may have made it a little more complicated for me. So I'm back and I'm so excited. I have so many videos I want to make for you guys and really get this channel going. But today, of course, I have a Bibbidi box that I'm so excited about. And last time I did the Halloween box, which Halloween is my favorite holiday, but this is the Christmas box, which is equally adorable, and I'm so excited about it. They had so many great things to choose from on their wish list, so I can't wait to see what goodies are in store. Oh, that's so cute. So on the top of my box, of course, this is what they put the spoiler alert in, and this is so adorable. Look, there's Mickey driving the truck with the little Christmas tree in it. And there's a little castle, but it says, "Have yourself a Mickey little Christmas." I wish this design came in holiday cards because I would totally send these out to all my friends and family. But on the inside, it's a little folder and there's a nice little note. And then of course, we have the packing slip, which tells me what's inside, and I don't want to see what it says yet. So I'm gonna set that aside. Now, Bibbidi has switched from using all the funfetti and everything in their boxes to these awesome little bags. And this one's different than the last one I got because it is Christmas colors. So that's nice that, you know, it's not the exact same as the one that I got. So I have a little bit of variety. But also, these are good sized bags. They're plasticky, it's got drawstrings. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, I'm so excited about this. So Bibbidi has their own bags, and if you saw one of my other videos, I got the Bibbidi brand makeup bag, which I absolutely love and I use it all the time. Here's a bigger one. It's a little more hefty, and it's the Christmas design that we saw on the outside. It has all the cute little Mickey treats and Mickey's tree farm truck, like that, and it has all this space on the inside. It's really thick. But this is really cute, and I like that it's Christmas theme. I love this so much. They have sent me the Disney Cats Loungefly backpack. This was on my wish list. Look how cute it is. It has the cats from Aristocats. It has Oliver from Oliver and Company, the Cheshire Cat, and the other cat. This is one that I've seen in Loungefly groups. People weren't sure who it is, but this cat right there is actually Dinah from Alice in Wonderland. And of course we have Minnie's cat, who also made his debut in Pinocchio, Figaro. I am a cat person. I had this on my wish list because I really love cats. My aunt had a farm growing up that we'd hang out with, and like I was so antisocial growing up. So I'd be like, all right, I'm gonna go in the barn and play with the cats while y'all hang out, and I'm just gonna go be a cat, and that's gonna be my life. One year my parents got us a cat for Christmas, and she was a girl, but my favorite movie at the time was Oliver and Company. So I couldn't name her Oliver because she was a girl cat, and so I named her Olive. And I used to have a little stuffed Marie. I love this, it's so perfect.
Look how cute they are, they're so cute and fluffy. And they're just playing with their little yarn balls.
We are headed to Disney in a couple months, and I am totally taking this bag with me because I'm so excited about it. Oh, I guess I should show you the actual product. So of course it's just like any other Loungefly. It has the straps in the back that can be adjusted. The edges and the straps are this pastel pink color. So if you see where the zippers are, you got that pastel pink. Oh, you guys, the inside is also, I think, equally as cute as the outside. Look at all those little guys. It's just like little outlines with that pink color on the inside. You know, it reminds me, back when I used to do ballet, I really loved gray and pink together. It's very subtle. It's not super loud, but then you have all these cats on it. And for our grand finale, we have one more item, and it looks like it might be a pair of Loungefly ears. Oh, I was really hoping for these. Ah! These are the Loungefly Christmas cookie ears, and they're like a leather on the ears and the outside, but the bow and the inside are all like a velvet. I love these so much. I was really hoping for these. I swear, they read your mind when they make these boxes. It's crazy. Look at that design. And it's really interesting because the tag is this like rubbery substance. You cut off the fabric tags, it kind of frays. I'm totally wearing these on Christmas Day. This is my Christmas Day ears. I'm really excited about this bag because they have so many options now where you can go through your wish list and you can pick all these items that you would like to have in your bag. And they listen to you every time. You know, it really helps them figure out what you like and what you're interested in and what you may not purchase yourself, but you would love it to show up in a box for you. But you can also pick pre-packaged boxes so you know what you're getting. And one of the things I did was there were pre-packaged Christmas boxes, but I also picked a bunch of stuff on my list. So I was like, yeah, if you want to just switch it up, that's fine. So I actually got exactly what I wanted because I didn't want everything that was in the pre-packaged Christmas box, but I really wanted the ears, and I couldn't pick the ears on my wish list. It was only in the Christmas box. So I had no choice. I had to pick the Christmas box. So I was like, if I get the whole box, that's fine. If not, whatever. And I was actually really, really hoping for this bag right here. And I swear it's like they read your mind. They knew exactly what I wanted. Thank you so much, Bibbidi. You guys hit it on the head every single time, and I love it. Time for the spoiler. And my box was curated with love by Amanda. So thank you, Amanda. You did so great. And I cannot wait to use this stuff in the parks and on Christmas and just for my life. Thank you so much. The Loungefly Disney Cats AOP mini backpack retails for $70. The Loungefly Disney Mickey and Minnie Christmas Cookies Ears headband retails for $30. The Bibbidi exclusive small holiday pouch. That's small. Like, I feel like this is a pretty good size pouch. If this is small, I don't even know what large would be. So this retails for $35. So the total value of my box was $135, which is more than what I paid. I paid, I believe, $120 for my box. Not bad, and I got pretty much exactly what I wanted. So I'm super happy with that. Let me know what was your favorite. My favorite, I don't have a favorite. I love them all, I do. Are you a cat person or are you a dog person? Would you prefer the Disney Cats bag or would you prefer the Disney Dogs bag, which is equally cute? I don't hate dogs. I just tend to like cats in my presence more. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're getting bored being cooped up in your house and you're ready to go take a nice vacation, whether that's in a socially distanced cabin or you want to head to Disney, I'm your girl to help you plan that trip. My information is below and my services are free. And I'll help you plan all the details of your dream vacation and we will get you out of the house. I hope everybody has a nice, healthy, and safe holiday season. And always remember to be kind, have courage, and always believe in the magic. Bye!